Whoa. No, yeah. Sorry? Is that what you guys did? Did you make that?
Yeah.
No, no. This is not a place to be throwing things like that. No. I like it. It's brilliant. Dun, dun, dun. This is brilliant. You go away. This is, whoa. Did someone get married here?
Look at my cut.
That's weird. Really? What is that? Hello. Yeah. Let me think about it. Okay, who's it? This is really cool. Who's in here? Whoa. Yeah. Oh my, yeah, it is actually lunch. I was just about to tell you guys. Oh. Have you guys tested it? Have you tested it?
Yeah.
And I don't see anyone sleeping in it. Really? I don't know. Why did you guys leave it there? Are you okay there? It's lunchtime, okay? Lunchtime and ain't it. Yeah, it will be very shortly. Goodness. It is, but I'm about to tell you in a minute. Okay, Liam, yours is looking pretty bad, eh? Whoa, what are you laughing at? I love this. What is that? Is that like a hammock or something? Oh, I love this. Look at that. No way. Ah. Isn't that the best one? Check that out. It's amazing, eh? Now you must admit. Who are you? Go away. You must admit, this is awesome here. Very awesome. That's really cool. Like it. Love it. Some crazy stuff. What? Can I see that? What's going on here?
Moses?
Yeah.
This one's Hayden, who we know his base. That one's my one, but we share the bases.
That's really cool. Love it. Oh, destruction! Destruction! That was so close. Ah, the rope came off. Yeah. Uh-oh. 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 No, no, I like to catch that. I like to catch it. Catch this. Oh. I thought you said it was stable. Yeah. You look like you're struggling. You're still here. Oh. Why isn't it built? His broke as well. Oh no. Why not tape it?
Yeah, that's what I was doing. See, Moses?
Cool. All right, Liam, lunchtime. Lunchtime. That's brilliant. It's brilliant. I love it. I love this. Yeah. You're crazy. Nah, nah, nah. Look at that. I am. Hello, whoa. Out of my face. Oh.